19th of February. Candles burning soft and slow. City lights were shining heavy, like they knew what I didn't know. I wore the red dress you loved so much, perfume you said drove you wild. Had your picture in my clutch, smiling like I was your only child. Reservations at 7, table for 2. I kept checking my phone, every minute felt like deja vu. But I was sitting there alone, chocolate melting in my hand, promises melting too. I thought we had forever planned, guess forever wasn't true. On Valentine's, the roses turned to rain, hearts on fire, drowned in pain. All those words you said in June faded under February's moon. Cupid missed, or maybe he lied. Love showed up, but you didn't try. Now every red balloon in the sky feels like a memory saying goodbye. The waiter asked, are you still waiting? I forced a smile, said yes, but deep inside my heart was breaking under that satin dress. I saw you post a picture online, holding somebody new. Caption said, our forever Valentine was forever, never me and you. All the teddy bears in the store, look, they were laughing loud. I couldn't take it anymore, so I cried in the middle of the crowd. Lipsticks fading, tears won't hide, must never falling fast. I gave you all the love inside, but love wasn't built to last. On Valentine's, the roses turned to rain, hearts on fire, drowned in pain. All those words you said in June faded under February's moon. Cupid missed, or maybe he lied. Love showed up, but you didn't try. Now every red balloon in the sky feels like a memory saying goodbye. Yeah. Do you remember last year's dance? Slow song under fairy lights. You said we were a second chance, like movies on romantic nights. We carved our names into a tree, said nothing could tear us apart, but time revealed what I couldn't see. You were haunted, you break my heart. I replay your voice in my head, like a song stuck on repeat. Every I love you, you said, now echoes in relief. I kept the letters, kept the ring, kept believing you'd stay. Funny how love can mean everything, then vanish in one day. On Valentine's, the roses turned to rain, hearts on fire, drowned in pain. All those words you said in June faded under February's moon. Cupid missed, or maybe he lied. Love showed up, but you didn't try. Now every red balloon in the sky feels like a memory saying goodbye. Maybe love was just a season, wrapped in glitter, wrapped in lies. Maybe I was just believing in the stars inside your eyes. I blame myself for weeks and nights, thought I wasn't good enough. But love shouldn't feel like fights, and forever shouldn't be this rough. You broke my heart on Valentine's, but you didn't break my worth. I'm more than roses, more than lines, more than what you thought Here's to all the broken hearts sitting under crimson skies. You're not weak because you fell apart. You're just strong enough to try. Let the chocolates melt away. Let the flowers dry and fall. There's a love that's gonna stay, one that won't let you cry. On Valentine, the roses turn to rain. Taught my heart through all the pain. Some good God and mercy too. Some closed door protect you. Cupid didn't miss, he knew this love wasn't meant to bloom. Now every red balloon in the sky reminds me I survived. Goodbye. Next February, I won't cry. I'll wear my red with pride, because a heart that breaks can still fly, even after love has died. Roses turn to rain that night. Rain makes flowers grow, and one day someone's gonna hold me tight. What a Valentine, I'll finally